Hello everyone. I am Vasily Stakh, an entrepreneur. I have been doing business and conducting my trainings since 2000. In the 2018 year, I created my own author's training, which is called Cash Flow in Ukraine. This is a business simulator for developing the skills of an entrepreneur, investor and pumping the skills of managing money, people and yourself. We are now at the Improvisation Festival for the first time in Grabovka. We conduct financial training for actors of the League of Laughter, Black Square, Women's Quarter and Improv Life.
I am very glad that I got to this game, because now I understand in which direction I need to move, in general, how to manage financially.
This is a very cool game. Here you can upgrade your skills, learn financial literacy, get high with friends, understand who behaves how.
I have once again pumped up some of my skills that I am already applying in life.
I realized how important it is to keep all records and how important it is not to be afraid to take risks.
Now I will get 1,146,400. Spit, play the financial flow and come to the improv.